The DJI Avata 360 is no longer a shadowy rumor or an ambiguous concept in the drone world. Over the past several months, leaks, retail box images, promotional renders, and insider reports have pieced together a comprehensive picture of what DJI is planning with this new aerial powerhouse. And at this stage, speculation has largely given way to a tangible understanding of the platform, positioning the Avata 360 as a remarkable evolution of DJI's FPV and 360 imaging technologies that seamlessly bridges the gap between cinematic creativity and high-performance flight engineering. Building upon the success of both the DJI Osmo 360 and previous Avata FPV drones while integrating next-generation features that set a new benchmark in the creator-focused drone ecosystem, starting with its core imaging hardware. A dual-lens 360 camera system rumored to utilize dual 1/1.1-inch sensors capable of capturing ultra-detailed panoramic stills and high-resolution spherical video in a way that far exceeds the limitations of standard action cameras, translating Osmo-grade optical performance into an aerial platform that emphasizes both clarity and cinematic flexibility. And unlike conventional drones that rely heavily on digital interpolation or cropped video feeds for immersive footage, the Avata 360 reportedly employs an innovative rotating gimbal mechanism, physically reorienting its cameras to switch seamlessly between full spherical 360 capture and standard forward-facing FPV flight modes, ensuring pilots can fly once and choose their perspectives later without compromising control, responsiveness, or the immersive immediacy that FPV enthusiasts demand. And this sophisticated dual-mode operation is complemented by one of the most advanced safety suites DJI has ever deployed, as leaked documentation suggests the inclusion of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance powered by real-time LiDAR scanning, effectively creating a dynamic safety bubble around the drone that maps the environment in 3 dimensions rather than simply relying on stereo cameras or infrared sensors, which is especially critical when operating a drone capable of filming in all directions simultaneously, allowing for confident maneuvering through complex environments while retaining pilot authority and reducing the risk of collisions during intricate cinematic sequences. And beyond its safety enhancements, the Avata 360 is poised to redefine connectivity and endurance in the FPV segment, reportedly integrating DJI's latest OKUSY-NC 4.0 transmission system with a potential range of up to 20 kilometers, a significant improvement over the Avata 2's 13 kilometers limit, enabling uninterrupted long-range filming for professional-grade content creation, while FCC filings indicate a 38.67 watt-hours battery, roughly a 22% increase over the Avata 2, suggesting flight times approaching 25 minutes even with the added weight of dual-lens optics and LiDAR modules, which is extraordinary for a ducted FPV drone and reinforces DJI's focus on sustained aerial creativity without frequent interruptions. And these performance upgrades are reflected in the drone's industrial redesign. The bright orange bumper rings of previous models are replaced with a darker, more refined chassis. The battery bay is repositioned rearward to balance the front-mounted camera assembly, and the airframe has been meticulously reworked to optimize weight distribution, structural rigidity, and aerodynamic efficiency, emphasizing that these modifications are functional rather than cosmetic, which, combined with a rumored retail price of $999 to $1,200 for a Fly More combo, positions the Avata 360 as a premium creator-focused platform sitting above the Avata 2 in DJI's FPV hierarchy, delivering a mix of high-end imaging, flight dynamics, and post-production flexibility tailored to professional and enthusiast content creators. And while discussions around a potential US ban have circulated, these political and regulatory factors primarily affect availability, warranty coverage, and long-term support rather than the technical merits of the drone itself, meaning that while global launches may proceed, US consumers might face delayed access or restricted supply, which makes understanding the drone's features and potential impact even more important. Because stripping away geopolitical concerns, the Avata 360 represents one of DJI's most deliberate and cohesive innovations in years, combining Osmo 360 caliber imaging, FPV-style flight agility, LiDAR-enhanced safety, extended flight endurance, and versatile post-flight creative possibilities into a single, purpose-built package, essentially redefining what a 360-capable FPV drone can achieve in terms of cinematic storytelling, environmental awareness, and user experience. And this level of integration signals a broader evolution in drone filmmaking. Immersive spherical capture blurs, giving creators unprecedented freedom to experiment with perspectives, storytelling techniques, and immersive content workflows without the limitations imposed by conventional drones or action cameras. And for anyone serious about professional-grade FPV filmmaking, cinematic drone photography, high-resolution panoramic video capture, or creating 360-degree immersive experiences for platforms ranging from YouTube to virtual reality, the Avata 360 emerges as a compelling, strategically designed tool that merges cutting-edge hardware with DJI's decades of drone innovation, ensuring that content creators can push boundaries, explore new creative paradigms, and maintain high levels of safety, control, and creative flexibility, making it not just another release in DJI's FPV lineup, but a potential game-changer for how spherical and FPV content is captured, edited, and experienced across social media, film production, live streaming, and VR applications, ultimately positioning the Avata 360 as a milestone in the evolution of flying cameras, a fully realized drone that represents both the culmination of DJI's past successes in FPV flight and 360 imaging, as well as a forward-looking statement about where the future of aerial content creation is headed, offering a versatile, high-performance, and professional-ready solution for filmmakers, hobbyists, and immersive content developers alike, which is why paying attention to this launch, understanding its capabilities, and exploring its integration into creative workflows is essential for anyone who wants to remain at the forefront of aerial cinematography and FPV innovation. And in this rapidly evolving space, the Avata 360 doesn't just stand out. It quietly sets a new standard for what creators can expect from a flying camera platform in 2025 and beyond, merging technology, design, and user-centric innovation into a single, highly capable drone that redefines both FPV dynamics and spherical imaging, proving that DJI's commitment to pushing creative boundaries remains unmatched, and that this launch matters not just as a product release, but as a cultural and technological moment in the world of drone-based filmmaking, cinematic FPV adventures, and professional 360 content creation, making it a must-watch for creators who want to explore new heights, new perspectives, and entirely new ways to tell stories from the sky. And for anyone interested in drone filmmaking, FPV exploration, immersive spherical video production, or simply seeing the cutting edge of aerial technology, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most significant releases in DJI's history, promising performance, creativity, and innovation in one thoughtfully engineered and highly anticipated platform, redefining expectations for what an FPV drone with professional 360 imaging capabilities can achieve, and ensuring that content creators around the world will have a tool capable of transforming the way aerial footage is conceptualized, captured, and shared across multiple mediums, from cinematic projects and VR experiences to live streams, 360 videos, and innovative social media content, which is precisely why this launch is so critical, marking a new chapter in the convergence of FPV flight, spherical video capture, and high-end drone technology, and establishing the Avata 360 as a platform that will influence drone design, filming techniques, and creative storytelling methods for years to come. And for those who want to stay ahead in the world of aerial filmmaking, FPV innovation, and next-level 360 content creation, understanding the Avata 360 and exploring its features, design philosophy, and creative potential is essential because it represents a major leap forward in drone technology, a highly capable and versatile cinematic tool, and a pioneering approach to immersive filmmaking that combines DJI's proven expertise with forward-looking innovation, ultimately redefining the intersection of flight, imaging, and creative freedom in ways that are likely to influence the entire landscape of drone content creation for the foreseeable future, which is exactly why this one deserves attention, careful study, and anticipation, as it is poised to quietly but definitively change the way immersive FPV and 360 content is produced, experienced, and shared across global creative platforms.